As humanity fades into history, nature begins its incredible reclamation. Cities once bustling with life devolve into ruins, overtaken by vines and trees that grow through concrete, leaving traces of civilization to blend into the landscape. Urban parks transform into wild sanctuaries where foxes and deer roam freely, while birds nest in high-rises once filled with human noise. Underwater, coral reefs thrive unperturbed, providing a refuge for diverse marine life, while ancient forests expand, creating rich biodiversity. In this post-human world, ecosystems thrive, evolving and adapting, proving that despite humanity's departure, life finds a way to flourish anew.